Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello viewers, welcome back to R.H. Educational channel once again. Dear viewers, do you know how to say potato in Arabic? Do you know how to say tomato in Arabic? Do you know how to say onion in Arabic? Do you know how to say garlic in Arabic? If you don't know, please see this video completely. Dear viewers, today I came also with the topic and that will be also very useful for you, and that is regarding vegetables name in Arabic language. Through this video you will increase your knowledge about vegetables name in Arabic, like how to say bell peppers in Arabic and how to say lentils in Arabic. So let's begin. So we will start from artichokes. For artichokes we use in Arabic kharshuf. Kharshuf means artichokes. Now see capers. For capers we use in Arabic nabatul kibar. Nabatul kibar means capers. Now see celery. For celery we use in Arabic karfas. Karfas means celery. Now see cauliflower. For cauliflower we use in Arabic karambit. Karambit means cauliflower. Now see broccoli. For broccoli we use in Arabic karambit akhdar. Karambit akhdar means broccoli. Now see pumpkin. For pumpkin we use in Arabic yaqtin. Yaqtin means pumpkin. Now see turnip. For turnip we use in Arabic left. Left means turnip. Now see potato. For potato we use in Arabic batatis. Batatis means potato. Now see sweet potato. For sweet potato we use in Arabic batatis hulwa. Batatis hulwa means sweet potato. Now see onion. For onion we use in Arabic basal. Basal means onion. Now see green onions. For green onions we use in Arabic al-basalul akhdar. Al-basalul akhdar means green onions. Now see shallot. For shallot we use in Arabic kurasu undulusi. Kurasu undulusi means shallot. Now see mushroom. For mushroom we use in Arabic fitra. Fitra means mushroom. Now see chili pepper. For chili pepper we use in Arabic filfil har. Filfil har means chili pepper. Now see garlic. For garlic we use in Arabic thawm. Thawm means garlic. Now see bell pepper. For bell pepper we use in Arabic filfil hulw. Filfil hulw means bell pepper. Now see red pepper. For red pepper we use in Arabic filfil ahmar. Filfil ahmar means red pepper. Now see green pepper. For green pepper we use in Arabic filfil akhdar. Filfil akhdar means green pepper. Now see parsnips. For parsnips we use in Arabic jazaru abyad. Jazaru abyad means parsnips. Now see kale. For kale we use in Arabic karnab. Karnab means kale. Now see Brussels sprouts. For Brussels sprouts we use in Arabic karnab bruxel. Karnab bruxel means Brussels sprouts. Now see beans. For beans we use in Arabic fasulia. Fasulia means beans. Now see green beans. For green beans we use in Arabic fasulia khadra. Fasulia khadra means green beans. Now see broad beans. For broad beans we use in Arabic fool. Fool means broad beans. Now see spinach. For spinach we use in Arabic sabang. Sabang means spinach. Now see chickpeas. For chickpeas we use in Arabic himmas. Himmas means chickpeas. Now see lettuce. For lettuce we use in Arabic khas. Khas means lettuce. Now see green peas. For green peas we use in Arabic bazla. Bazla means green peas. Lentils. For lentils we use in Arabic adas. Adas means lentils. Now see corn. For corn we use in Arabic durra. Durra means corn. Now see cucumber. For cucumber we use in Arabic khiyar. Khiyar means cucumber. Now see leek. For lake we use in Arabic kuras. Kuras means lake. Now see zucchini. For zucchini we use in Arabic kausa. Kausa means zucchini. Now see radish. For radish we use in Arabic fajal. Fajal means radish. Now see cabbage. Cabbage we use in Arabic malfoof. Malfoof means cabbage. Now see tomato. For tomato we use in Arabic tomatim. Tomatim means tomato. Now see okra. For okra we use in Arabic bamia. Bamia means okra. Now see carrot. For carrot we use in Arabic jazar. Jazar means carrot. Now see eggplant. For eggplant we use in Arabic badanjan. Badanjan means eggplant. Now see beetroot. For beetroot we use in Arabic banjar. Banjar means beetroot. Now see parsley. For parsley we use in Arabic baqdunis. Baqdunis means parsley. Coriander. For coriander we use in Arabic kazbara. Kazbara means coriander. So this is enough for today. I hope you understood very well vegetables names in Arabic language through this video. So see you again with new topic in next class inshallah.